Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today video, I want to show you how you can drawing the triangle, circle, rectangle using STM32 and then you display using OLED. So let's start. You see, I'm using STM32 CubeMX and then we're starting the project. Yes, STM32 F103C8T6. This one, select this one, start project. First, you go to the system core. Serial wire. And you go to the connector. A2C1. A2C. You see? This is the pin you have to connecting our OLED or OLED. You see this is the SDA. This is serial clock signal, and this is a pin for debug. Go to the setting, parameter setting, I2 speed must be fast mode, don't forget. And then already it's done. If you want, you can turning OLED is OLED or PC setting, but it's okay. Right, with generating the before we have to choose where go to the project, then we choose Keil, MDK, alarm MDK is Keil, and then you have to put in the name here, cycle, yep, and triangle. Okay, it's enough. Open project. And then you go to the user, open C, reboot. You see, zero error, zero warning. So let's start the next. The next thing you have to do is to inserting the template for OLED. So for you can check on description. I give you the link. You can download it. For me, I have it. So let's continue. Go add group. Click and hold. And then changing the name. Hardware. And then you have to go after download. You have to copy the file or download to the link you get, and then you put it into the directory of your project. So let's redo it. For me, my project is here, is this one. So go back. This is OLED. Creating hardware. You see, I creating hardware inside of our project OLED, square, circle, and triangle. Don't forget. And then you copy. When you open, you see we have font, C file, C and H file. Yep, this one is file I insert. So I think even you can download this file. And then next, back to the Keil. Then go to the hardware, right click, add existing file to the group hardware, and then go back, you see, and then you have it, this one, open font, select all, go to the add, go back, select all, add, and then close. It's okay. When you see, already you have it. The next step, click here, option for target, go to the C/C++, click here, yeah, check if you are on the still in the same folder, and then go to the hardware, OLED, font, go back, take font, select, it's okay, and then go back again, the same way, hardware, OLED, STM32F103C8T6, and then okay. The next we have we are in main C. Go here, and then you have to declare font, and you have to declare STM32F103C8T6.hs. The next user code, begin, SSD 1/6, initial. We have to initializing this our OLED. Next we have to initialize our OLED. Still 1006. Initialize. And then (06). Go to, you're putting the cursor to the 0 from 00. Have the starting from 00 or from 22 or 55. 55, it's okay. And then we have to draw in the first. Let's starting to the square or rectangle. rectangle 1 0. Draw filled rectangle or rectangle from 5 x5 y 0, and then width 40 and the height 30, and then the color this is the 106. Color is, let's choose white. It's okay. Another one, you put in the draw cycle. So we have starting on from x 60 and y on 20 and radius of 20. It's okay. First, and then the color. Color is white. 106. Let's take a triangle. This one. We see we have x1, y1. Let's put y1, xy 19, 0, 40. This one, color is white. It's okay. And then put this one here, buttons on this one's on 2040, on 50 is yes, 50 20 set the 106, and then put drawing rectangle, square, rectangle, cycle, and the triangle. It's enough. Then I put in font size, and then the color, is white. Things okay, and then the next updating. After updating our screen, already done. Reboot. Wow, zero error. Let's downloading the code to our STM. Wow, I think now everything is working. We're drawing this one. It's putting the comment rectangle. This one for cycle. This one is for triangle. Yeah, this on the bottom we're putting this name, drawing rectangle, cycle, and triangle. So you have to know this one, this rectangle, this X, this Y is starting from X 0 and Y 0, and then this is width, this is height, and then we're starting the cycle from X of 65, and then this is Y, this radius of our cycle, and then the triangle starting from X of 90, Y of 0, 1 point, the first point, another point is on 90, and then on the bottom, on the 40, you see, and another point, X of 120 and Y of 40. So if I say this one, our video already is done with drawing. We finished to draw rectangle, cycle, and triangle, and then we display in OLED using STM32. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel